So we just pull down boost basically in this mid-range. We still make 1100.
Yeah.
But now we don't have that high torque.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't think we've talked much about the R8 and what's getting. I know it's twin turbo.
Yep.
But it's getting a Motec, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why does it need a Motec?
Officially or unofficially?
What sounds cooler?
Unofficially, he wants to make more power.
Okay, I got you.
You've got a lot more control with a Motec than
Right.
you do with, say, a stock ECU flash.
Yeah. It looks cool. I love the color.
So I gotta make some adjustments. Should be pretty close to dyno time.
So do you have the Motec in already?
Yep, Motec's in, both of them in. Gotta remove these sensors we don't use anymore,
Cool.
and then see how much power we can make.
So it's going on the dyno today?
Probably tomorrow morning.
Okay. How much power do you think it's going to make?
At least 1,000.
They'll make, say, 17 pounds here, and they'll hold 17 pounds. That's how we get away with the torque.
Gotcha.
Rather, if I made 17 pounds here and held it, you would still make 1155 here.
Gotcha.
But over here, the torque would spike up, and then taper down to here, and your horsepower would come up like this, and then curve. So that was the 1195 run. So that's a little bit more boost, but at the top is almost the same.
Gotcha.
But see, that little bit more boost in mid-range gives all that more torque and more power, but then we get close to that 800 mark.
Yeah.
So we just pull down boost basically in this mid-range. We still make 1100,
Yeah.
but now we don't have that high torque.
Yeah. And we're way below what's been defined as the
Threshold.
threshold of 800.
Yeah.
So 70% less torque, which I guess 70 points less torque. Yeah. That's awesome. You act like you know what you're doing. You act like you know what you're doing.